Good morning. It's a wet one here. This is MOTOSARGE signing in. Today we got a benefit ride for the Lone Warriors coming at you. So I'm headed over here to meet the founder of the Lone Warriors for breakfast, and we're gonna head on over to the staging area and registration for this benefit ride here in a little bit. So let's roll the intro, and hopefully this weather kind of holds out a bit for us today. So here we go, cruising down Highway 31, headed out on this benefit ride for the Lone Warriors. Thanks to the Punishers MC here in the Iron City of Birmingham for putting this on for us. We really appreciate it, guys. It was a great turnout. Tons of bikes, people coming down from New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, all over the place for their 5th anniversary, which is pretty cool. Kind of a unique and different experience for me this far as my motorcycle career starts, I guess. A little bit about the Lone Warriors. If you guys haven't watched the second video of the channel that was uploaded, we are a non-profit organization that offers a unique form of therapy through photography for veterans suffering from PTSD, social anxiety, other physical and invisible scars from their service. It's a awesome program. It's assisted me personally as well. If you watch the second video, like I said, I kind of talk more about this program. But really today's video, I just wanted to bring you guys along with us on this ride. Enjoy this beautiful sunshine in the wonderful state of Alabama. And we will catch up when we get to the clubhouse at the very end of this ride. So I hope you all enjoy the ride. And let's have some fun.
Came home soiled from a dirty war. Thought I knew just what I fought it for. Big brass bands, apple pie, all the reasons seem so cut and dry. Overseas, a million miles
I don't know about
away.
you guys, but anytime I'm on like a ride like this where you're running staggered, it's hard for me. I'm a super competitive person, so it's hard for me not to feel like I'm in a race and I'm supposed to start passing and getting up front and going fast.
They say the eyes are windows to the soul. Please don't look too closely, there's nothing left to show. I hang around where I once played, trying to fake it through the day. Never really worked out anyway. 'Cause it takes a fool to fall for roses made with white mache. Oh, it takes a fool to fall for roses made with white mache. And I've tried every job in this whole town. My aching mind refused to settle down. Uncle Sam taught lethal skills. Odds and ends now help to pay the bills. Left home feeling more than 10 feet tall. Quite a long, hard way for one to fall. Pride, he took a hand grenade, spangled banner doled into a grave. They say this place I live is called a home, but but it feels more like a prison. Feels so numb, it feels so cold. They tell me I'm a special one to serve my country with a gun. So why do I still feel?
Well, we made it to our first little rest stop. We're gonna go ahead and pull in here to Hill Leather. Kind of stretch out the legs a little bit. Hope you guys have been enjoying the ride this far.
With white machine. They say that God forgives the man who tries, but they've never been to Baghdad, never heard those mothers cry. And when I lay me down to sleep, will he take my soul?
Well, it looks like this ride is about to come to an end. It ended up being a great day to ride for an even better cause. I want to thank the Punisher's LMC Iron City Birmingham chapter for putting this benefit ride on, or allowing us to come take part in their 5th anniversary ride. If you guys like this video, please click that like icon, hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ring that bell notification to receive updates when I upload some new content. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching another video, and this is MotoSarge signing out.
Hard work, the mission is go. Hard work, that's what they say. Hard work.